Hello guys and welcome back to my channel I Love 164. Today we are going to unbox two Tarmac Falken livery cars. One is Vertex Nissan Silvia S15 and another one is RX-7. So let's do this. Let's put this here on the side and first I'm going to show this car. I know these has been released a couple months ago, but I show them on my YouTube channel when I get them all. So I'll try not to break the box. I think this will work. Yeah. Because, see, the box looks really good. The car is awesome. So here is the car. We have all the liveries, decals here. The front, back. It's a Falcon back and there are tail lights and everything. I really like the silencer, of course. And here's the front. The top looks cool as well. We do not have much on the, actually there is a lot. There is a lot on the bottom. Let's check if this rolls. Yes, it does roll. So let's place it here. I really like these GDM cars, but the most of them, like, I love RX-7s and Silvias and the GTRs, of course. But I do not find the GTR in this livery, even though the Tarmac has released one of them previously. All the liveries, I think, are the same. Yes, there is one extra here. I don't know. I'm not able to read its ways. The back with the front grille. Actually, there is no grille. I really like the hood part. I don't know what you call this, but this looks great. And we have all the details here on the bottom as well. And most probably and most surely, because it's a Tarmac Global 64 series, I'm sure this is gonna roll. See, I told you. It rolls perfectly. I have completed shooting the video for these two cars, but then I realized that why should not I show the another Falcon livery I have. This one is not from the Tarmac or Mini GT. I have this Jeep. I think this is the only premium car I have in my collection. Just a second, let me pull this out. Yeah. See, this one is from the Greenlight. And this looks amazing. On this one, we do not have the plastic headlights, even though the tail lights are plastic. Just a second, let me zoom. These tail lights are plastic, but the front lights are painted only. And we have this. All the details on the bottom. These cars roll really good. The Greenlight ones, yeah, they roll really perfect. So I was showing off these two, so I thought, why not this? I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.